Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an essential aspect of Mandarin pronunciation, tones. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of Mandarin tones, their rules and how to use them correctly. So let's get started. Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language with 4 main tones and 1 neutral tone, also known as the fifth tone. In order to differentiate meaning, the same syllable can be pronounced with different tones. Now let's dive into the specifics of each tone and their pronunciation. The first tone is the high and level pitch. It is important to keep one's voice even across the whole syllable when pronouncing the first tone. It is represented by a straight horizontal line above letter in pinyin. For example, these characters can be pronounced in the first tone. Ma, kong, yi, song. Here are some examples of words that consist of 2 consecutive first-tone syllables. 西瓜, which means watermelon. 飞机 means airplane. 天天 means everyday. Alright, let's move to the second tone. The second tone is a rising pitch. In English, we sometimes associate this rise with a question. And the second tone is represented by a rising diagonal line above letter in pinyin. For example, these characters can be pronounced in the second tone. 水, 学, 朋, 年. Words that consist of 2 consecutive second-tone syllables. For example, 题材 means subject matter. 学习 means study. And 来临 means approaching. Next, the third tone. The third tone starts at a mid-level pitch, dips down and rises again. When pronounced clearly, its tonal dipping is very distinctive. For example, notice the dipping here. 我 The third tone is represented by a curved dipping line above letter in pinyin. For example, these characters can be pronounced in the third tone. 走 你 我 好 Now I am giving examples of words consist of 2 different tones. 中午 noon. Notice here the first character is pronounced in the first tone and the second character is pronounced in the third tone. 节省 means save. The first character is pronounced in the second tone and the second character is pronounced in the third tone. So it should be obvious that in Mandarin Chinese, different characters within a single word can have different tones. Okay, let's go to the fourth tone. The fourth tone is a clear falling pitch. It starts out high but drops sharply to the bottom of the tonal range. English speakers often associate this tone with an angry command, but it does not necessarily associate with angry or any negative feelings in Chinese. The fourth tone is represented by a dropping diagonal line above letter in pinyin. For example, this character can be pronounced in the first tone. 去 最 后 六 These are examples of words with a fourth tone as well as characters with other tones. 书店 means bookstore. First tone, then fourth tone. 电梯 elevator. Fourth tone, then first tone. 奇怪 strange. Second tone, then fourth tone. Great, finally let's get to the last one, neutral tone, also known as the fifth tone. The neutral tone is a brief and less pronounced pitch. It is not mapped on the tone chart because it differs from the other 4 tones in that it does not have a defined pitch contour. The neutral tone is pronounced quickly and lightly without regard to pitch. Syllables with a neutral tone have no tone mark. For example, in the following words, the second syllable is with a neutral tongue. 舒服 fu means comfortable. 弟弟 younger brother. 玻璃 glass. 梨子 pear. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. Please also don't forget to subscribe and join David's Chinese Corner for more content like this. Stay amazing, and I'll catch you in the next video.